Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a logo for free in 2020. This will be very easy. You don't need any experience. So this is a tutorial for beginners and let's get started right now. So what I like to do, I like to go to a website called Canva. Now Canva is a website where you can create amazing designs for free as a beginner by using the drag and drop editor. So what I like to do is click on create a design at the top right corner, click on custom dimensions and then choose 1440 by 1440 and then click on create design. Now once you click on create design, it's going to create a pretty much a new project with a white background and just a white square in general. What I like to do is click on templates at the top left corner and then search for logo right there. You can then click on logo and you will come across all of these different templates that you can use for your logo. Now as you can see right there, these are free. Some of these in here are paid, but you don't need to use them. You can just use one of the free ones. There are hundreds if not thousands of templates that you can use. Now it kind of depends on what kind of logo you're looking to create, right? Let's say that you want to create a logo for your gaming channel or your YouTube channel. You can choose one of these categories. You can also just scroll down and find all results and you can start customizing those. But let's say that for this video, for the sake of this tutorial, I want to create a gaming logo. I would click on see all and then I can choose between these 10 templates for my gaming logo. Now, as you can see right here, these look pretty professional and you can start customizing them as well. Let's say that I like this one. I then click on it and I can start, okay, so in this case, this one is paid, so I'm not going to go with this one. So these two are paid and these are free. So I'm going to go with a free one, this one right here. Now this already looks like a pretty cool logo. All you need to do, if you have a gaming channel, is add your channel name right there. So let's say my channel name is HTD98 and then right there you can add like a slogan if you want to. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to customize the text, make it look a bit bigger, maybe like this, and you can pretty much customize all of this. So you can play around with the fonts by clicking right there, choose any of these fonts. Now just for your information, the fonts with a crown next to it are only available if you have Canva Pro, so don't use them if you don't have the paid version, and honestly you don't need that. You can just go with any free fonts right here because they will still look pretty good. Maybe I like this one, you can use that. Okay, so don't really like it, but let me just go back to the other one because that one looked pretty decent. Now you can play around with these like I'm not sure what to call those, like little design things, and you can drag them over here, drag them over there, pretty much wherever you want to. You can also change the color. All you have to do is select it and then click on white maybe. As you can see right there, just click on a color and you can change it. Now you can also change the color from the backgrounds, just like that. So maybe you can do blue, then click right there on the other half and then click on this color of blue. Let's see, just like that. And you can see where this is going. You can customize your logo on Canva with the drag and drop editor. You can also change the color from this vector by clicking on color once again and just clicking on the colors that you like. Now I recommend just playing around with this until you come up with something that you like and you can then use it. Now let's say that I don't want to use this one. I then go back to templates, I search for logo, I click on it, oops, it's my bad, logo right there, and I continue with any of these other designs. So as you can see right there are so many designs for logos, it's kind of crazy. You can just use them and customize it, and you can use that for free without any trouble. Click right there, add your own vector maybe. Let's say that you're in the food industry, you then click on elements, you click right there, you search for food, you get all of these vectors. Once again, make sure you find one that's free, you click on it, you add it in there, you change the color maybe, there you go, you add your own name, HTD food. Right there, you can add a slogan or whatsoever if you want to. But yeah, that's pretty much what I would do if I would have to create a new logo within a few minutes for free as a total beginner. So I recommend playing around with all the templates on this website and customizing it until your logo is finished. Now, once you're finished, you want to click on download at the top right corner, select the file type, hit download, and there you go. That's how you can do this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.